All right, Cougars, so this week you have several different options for doing your word problems on the My Weekly Plan. So on the 2 different days, there's the first one, and that's the one that I want you to do, and then there's also a second one that's posted as a challenge. So you can choose to do the challenge, or you can just do the first one that's listed. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and here is my word problem in the center. It says, there are 9 baby birds in a nest. Some of them flew off. Now there are 6. How many flew off? So I'm going to start by circling my numbers. So there are 9 baby birds in the nest. Some flew off. Now there are 6. So I know in my number sentence that I'm going to have 9 and 6. So I'm going to start right there with my number sentence. So there are 9 baby birds in a nest. So I'm going to write my 9. Some of them flew off. Well, if they flew away, I'm taking them out of the nest. So if I'm taking away, I'm doing subtraction. So I'm going to write my subtraction sign. But in the word problem, it says some of them flew off. I don't know how many flew off. So I'm going to leave my blank space because that's my unknown number. So 9 minus something is going to give me, now there are 6. 6. All right, so 9 minus something equals 6. I'm going to come back to my number sentence. I'm going to hop over here to my picture to help me figure out the rest of my number sentence. So for my picture, I'm going to just do simple math art, which is just circles. So I'm going to do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are my 9 baby birds in the nest. Some flew off. Now there are 6. So I'm going to count out 6 and then cross what's left off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that one, and that one flew off. There are my 6 that are remaining. So then the ones that I crossed off, I count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them flew away. So now I'm going to put that back in my number sentence and see if that makes sense. 9 minus 3 equals 6, and it does. Okay, so now I'm going to move up to my number bond now that I have all 3 of my numbers. Now, like I had said, Cougars, we call this our math mountain. So you're doing a math mountain, but on the paper it says number bond. So with my math mountain, I always do the highest number at the top, which is 9. Then I draw my mountain. And down at the bottom of my mountain is 3 and 6. And the way that I look at this is 9 minus 6 equals 3, or I could do 9 minus 3 equals 6. And then when we're doing addition, I'm looking at it as 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, so I have my picture, my number sentence, and my number bond or math mountain. Now I'm going to do my number line. Now, a lot of us have been very confused about number lines. A lot of you have just been drawing the number line, but not telling me where it stops and where it ends. So I'm going to start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now my highest number in my number sentence is 9. So I always want to go at least one more than that. So there's 10. Okay, so that is the start of my number line. Now I need to do the bumps across the top to help show what it is I'm trying to solve in the problem. So I'm starting at 9. Some flew away. Now there are 6. So I'm going to go backwards to 6. And there are my, kind of like my bookends, my ends of 9 taking away, going to 6, and I see that I have 3 bumps going across. And that's what confirms in my picture, in my number sentence, all of those things, that if I take away 3 from 9, I land at 6. So Cougars, don't forget to do this top part of your number line. All right, Cougars, like I said, you have lots of choices this week in your word problems, so go ahead and do that and send me a picture of it.